Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Open the Pathfinder. Click on the striped icon, and select Make Compound Shape. Open the Appearance panel. Click on the FX icon. Path. Offset path. Offset, 10. Joins, round. Click on the FX icon. Path. Offset path. Apply new effect. Offset, -10. Joins, round. Make the text transparent and pick a stroke color. Adjust the stroke weight to your liking. Select the Direct Selection tool. You can now move the letters closer together to create the bleed effect. Select all the letters to move the entire text. And that's how you create this effect.